Good morning, everyone. A lot of people asking me how to start affiliate marketing business and product launching business in a home. So today I'm going to give you a real result and how others people launching product and how others people promoting product, and you can copy the same methods in your business and you can hit your first $10,000 in 90 days. So look at this product launched yesterday, and we are going to refresh this page, and within 24 hours more than 100 sell, and it is generate over $5,000, then $5,000 within 24 hours. So, and you can see a lot of Indian people are working on this industry and they are doing very good, like Udhav, Kundan, Yogesh, including me and another peoples like Vijay, Lakshman, and Amit, Abhijit, Lavjit, Lavneet, and Ram Rawat, and many others people are working in this industry. So if you are is up 30 plus and you are looking to build established online business, it is the good time to start, because job take over by AI in upcoming few years and a lot of climate change. So you make sure you can start side hustle incomes and building a real long term established business model. And not only this, there have another product launch some days ago, and you can see we are going to refresh on this and you can check that real page, and it is around $1,37,000 plus, and another product and so many products. So there is a lot of products. So how you can start? First of all, you need three things only. Okay, you need email marketing, because every people are generating sales by email marketing. So if you are learning email marketing, copywriting, and lead generation, then make sure you will hit your first $10,000 within 90 days. Okay, so and there have two option where you can learn everything. So first of all, you have a free option where you can go on YouTube and search how to do affiliate marketing, like with WordPress and JBZoo. And but the main problem is on there, you don't get a step-by-step training. So if you don't get a step-by-step training, then you will not get a success, because so many people is struggling from the year but they are not making any single penny. So if you are going to do same mistake, then you are wasting your time and energy. And the second option, you find a mentor, and mentor teach you everything. And because I'm not just like a mentor who already following this method and they are sharing good things, then you can copy and you can make things. If you talk about me, then I'm doing this marketing from the last 6 years and I know everything, and I'm going to teach you step by step in my private system called Mastery of Freedom. So let me going to introduce our new program where we will teach everything about how you can build long-term established $10,000 consistent online business from home, even with little technical of marketing and tech skills. And it is India's 24-week training program. Learn how to build a profitable software business without any tech skills, even 95% work done by AI and outsourcing. Plus, we are going to provide you 24/7 strong support, and we are accepting only 20 people every single month, and every single once 20 people hit, then we are increasing the price and stop the accessing a new people. So we have created this amazing training program for 9 to 5 people who are doing a job and they are searching some new way of earning, and housewives, school students, and professionals, and they definitely they can learn and build established solid side hustles. Okay, side hustle not even only, you can make good amount of money, and there have a lot of people already following the method. They are making so much money. You can see the screenshot on here and you will get some ideas. Okay, so and one thing more, we are going to teach you Hindi and English language. So don't worry if you don't know English, कोई बात नहीं, आप फिर भी आप अच्छे से सीख सकते हो. Anyway, we are going to move forward. So if you are, I'm sure you are doing 9 to 5 right now, but too many stress, office politics, and low salary, and around 8 to 12 hour hard work. So it is really painful, and you are going to do every single year to year, and you will reach out age up the 50 plus, and your life will be in. And now if you are starting a business, then you can grow multiple branches, because business like a tree. So if you plant the any skill in your mind and you can implement, one day you will get success. Okay. And once you start making money, then you will get a four type freedom with online business. Because I know when I was doing a job a job in a Samsung company as accountant by 2018, then I struggling too much, because uh, I'm going to job around 9 a.m. and just come back around 10 p.m. So 12-hour job is too difficult for me. But I will not get a time freedom, money freedom, choice freedom, and like that. So then when I start on the internet marketing business, then I get a financial freedom. My salary was around 15,000 rupees, and now currently we are making more than $15,000. So if you once you get a financial freedom, then you feel secure, your future secure, your life secure, and you will be happy. And time freedom, what is it is does not any stress to wake up early morning and ready to go to job. You will get a complete freedom, no matter you if you want to wake up just 9 a.m. Okay, but 4 a.m. 5 6 a.m. is one of the best time to wake up to you. Okay, read a book like Atomic Habit, one of the best book I have read in my life. And choice freedom decide, it is your life, your rule, your passion, you can control everything, your creativity, you can control everything. No any boss, you can control anything. Okay, location freedom, whatever you want to, whenever, whatever, wherever you want to go, because you have money. So up to you. Okay. So now we are going to introduce mastery of freedom, because four type freedom is important. So you need to become a master, and mastery coming from financial freedom. First, financial freedom, and how to get financial freedom without creating product and services. That is one business model in my mind is called affiliate marketing, where a lot of people already spend a lot of money to creating softwares and other info courses, and they are selling on the internet. And once you promote, then you will get around 50%, even 100% commission. 100%. Look, if just your commission is 100% and you making just 100 sale, then you can make $2,700 in one day, just 100 sale. Okay, so this business model is really good, and you can build 95% by AI. So don't worry. And training in Hindi language we are, and not only just 1 week, 2 week training, it is 24-week training program. Okay, 24-week training program where you will learn funnels, email marketing, CRMs, and automation. And every single week what you will learn, we have mentioned the curriculum. You can check out, link in the description we have put it down. You can go to check out that. Okay, step by step things you will learn on here, like lead generation. And the best part, for lead generation, we have my own software. You don't need to worry about traffic generation, lead generation, because we are going to provide you software. That software generate you a lot of leads. So you just stay consistent email marketing and nurturing, and you will get a lot of result. Email automation, learn email marketing, email copywriting, lead generation, and affiliate marketing with solo ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, evergreen products, CPA marketing, UCG ads. And second thing, if you want to become a vendor, on how you can learn ads, how you can learn vendor marketing, like how you can become a vendor on Warrior Plus and Zebizu, then you can learn step by step. And no one in India are teaching this kind of about this. So it is my first Indian course and system. We are going to teach everything, how you can create product, how you can hire a developer, how you can use AI tools to build solid products which market need, market research, and people love to buy, and a lot of JB supporting. And you can build funnels by AI, copywriting and designing, no code required. And how you can set up your products on Warrior Plus like this and Zebizu. Okay, so too many things is required. So you will get all those training on here, how you can deliver product, case studies, and how you can scale. So many things you have learned on here. And what I need from you, if you have a 2-hour time per day and you have mobile internet connection and 24-week training time, then welcome to our program, because we need a time and stay focused mind in our community. Okay, and where after then you will learn affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, high ticket selling, software selling, building, launching, and you can make around $10,000. Okay, and here is all courses which you have get inside my program, and you will get my private community, and you will get a weekly coaching and lifetime access. Plus we are going to give you some exclusive bonuses like 50,000 pre-verified buyer list we are going to provide you if you buy through YouTube description link, plus unlimited lead generation where you will get save around 20,000 rupees, and done for you templates and so many things you have saved with it. Okay, and if you don't know about me, my name is Subhas Yadav, and I'm working from the last 7 years, and some year ago I was struggling with debt and multiple EMI, credit cards, bills, depressions, and just my life was just worthless. But I meet a mentor and who teach me affiliate marketing, product creation, product launching, and it has changed my life. And now I have launching too many products and making $6,000 per six-figure income. Plus we are running government verified agencies, and we teaching people how they can create their product and services. And why I created this masterclass, because so many people asking, people just message me and said, sir, I have spent more than 50,000 rupees for training, but I would not get, can you teach me? So I just, okay, I will teach you. Okay, so once you learn everything, the new morning you will hit the alarm, and you will check your email, and you will get notification about your earning, and whatever you want to do, up to you. Okay, so start your $2,000 challenge today, and then let's give you over a roadmap what you need to learn. Week 1 to 2 you will learn fundamentals, and week 6 3 to 6 affiliate marketing, 7 to 10 your lead generation, 11 to 14 high ticket, and week 15 to 18 you will going to learn product launching, and week 19 to 24 scaling method. Okay, also you will get our lead ocean software where you can generate a lot of free traffic without any paid ads. And one thing more, you don't need to worry about any ads for the beginning time. Okay, so and the best part, we are offer 24-hour money back guarantee, no question asked, and 30-day fail proof money back guarantee. Okay, and we are accepting only 20 people, so more than 3 and 4 seats may be left. Okay, and let me introduce the pricing. So it is the actual price is 9,999 rupees, but today we are only offer just 5,999 rupees plus 1,000 rupees instant discount by UPI payment method. So there have two pricing plan in front of you. You can go 50% right now, 50% later, or you can go just one time. Okay, so once you click the button, then it will automatically applied 3,999 rupees, or you just go to full for lifetime 4,999 rupees. Once you go and finish the checkout, after then just connect on WhatsApp, and me and my team will going to teach you everything step by step. You will get instant access. Okay, and don't worry, we have GST number, we have Udemy verified, so don't worry, we are trusted person. And if you want to build a long-term established business model, then you are welcome. If you are just searching short-term, then I think our program is not for you. So up to you. Once you access, then what you will get, I will going to explain you. You will get complete access of this master training program, and you will welcoming in the members area. And after then you will learn step by step how you can do blah 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 blah, and you will get a software about lead generation which you have seen inside our sales page, and too many things. Also you will get our private community where you will learn, and we have also dropped down our free WhatsApp group. You simply click on the link below and go to checkout. Okay, so time is now starting. Your time is start right now. So link in the description. If you want to build your life, go to and check out. And thank you so much for. Thank you.